Hello guys, welcome to Handmade by Wreaths. I hope you're all doing well today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this candle stand with the items that I purchased from Dollar Tree and also from some craft stores. You would have noticed this in my last video when I showed you how I made a Christmas tree under $5. In case you missed it, I will add the link in the description box. Please watch it. To make this candle stand, you will need two rings. I bought these two rings at Michael's a while ago when they were on sale. They are usually used to make wreaths. This can be easily made at home. All you need is two embroidery rings or metal rings that are used to make wreaths, and you need to wind jute rope around it and secure the end pieces with glue gun. The ring that I took is about 14 inches in diameter. The next step is to make a base for the candle stand. To make that, we need a cardboard, a 7-inch square cardboard. As my cardboard was thin, I cut two square pieces of cardboard and glue them together to make it sturdy. Now we need to wrap the cardboard box with jute rope to match the rings. When you start winding the rope, use a glue gun to secure the rope so it doesn't come apart while you're winding the rest of the cardboard. You can buy this rope in any craft store or Home Depot or even Amazon. Wind the rest of the rope and make sure that you wind them tightly and close to each other so you don't see the cardboard that is underneath. If you want a different combination or any other texture, you can use a burlap cloth or any type of other ropes, maybe different color rope. I just wanted my base to match the rings, so I used jute ropes here. When you reach almost the end of the other side of the cardboard, make sure you secure it with a glue gun on both the sides. We can still see the cardboard on the side, so you need to cover that too. We are now done making the base of the candle stand. Now we need to attach it to the rings. I secured one side of the rings with an elastic and attached base that we just made with glue gun as shown here. Now our basic candle stand is done. Now I'm going to decorate it with pine cones as it is Christmas time now. Instead of pine cones, you can also use bells or small Christmas trees that we get in Dollar Tree. You can use anything that goes with the theme of your room. During other seasons like spring and summer, you can decorate it with silk or paper flowers. For fall, you can decorate it with pumpkins and maple leaves. You can customize it as you want. I'm going to add more color to the candle stand here. I'm just going to attach some pine leaves here. These are artificial pine leaves. Just glue them on the side. I decided to add more color. So I have these red seeds that I got from India a while ago, and they look like holly berries. So I glued them on top of the pine cones and on the side right next to the pine leaves here. You can use red beads if you like. I got this Merry Christmas ornament from Dollar Tree. It came with a ribbon that did not go well with the design, so I removed it and added some pine cones and some of those red seeds on top of it, and I think it goes well with the design here. And I attached it on the top where we secured the rings with elastic. One side of the ornament came with a jute rope attached to it. I just used that to tie at the center of the rings, and use a glue gun to glue the other side of the ornament. So it is not like in the center, but it is like sideways. And that's it, we are done making the candle stand. I placed a battery operated candle on it. You can use to display any holiday decor or pictures or mini plants. Options are endless. I hope you like this idea, and if you do, please let me know in the comment section. If you like watching such crafts, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends and family, and hit the bell icon for more notifications from my channel. Thank you guys. Happy holidays. Bye bye.